Welcome. My name is Jake Moore, and I'm the director of the University Art Galleries and Collection here at University of Saskatchewan. I want to remind everyone that we're located on Treaty 6 territory, the traditional homelands of the Métis, the Nehiyaw, Anishinaabe, Dene, Lakota, and Nakota. Today, we're celebrating the Goose Moon. The Goose Moon is very specific to our location, and we'll hear a little bit more about that fairly soon. But I just wanted to welcome you all here today for this additional marker of time changing. And as we experience time passing so differently during COVID, it's been this exceptional pleasure to welcome these stones here to the Snellgrove Gallery. As we're well aware, a land acknowledgement means little without legitimate action to follow through on. So it's been an exceptional gift for us to receive the work of Linda Tusis, Sandy Bonney, Vanessa Hagan, and the students and community members that worked on these stones here today. They're slowly transforming this space into what I hope will be a site of welcome. And as I've been watching the geese fly over our campus, and I know it's not everywhere, but here I feel quite heartened by the fact that things are changing, and I'm looking forward to joining you here again soon. Welcome.
Hello, my name is Sandy Bonney, and I work as team lead for Indigenous Student Achievement Pathways in the College of Arts and Science. And I'm here today to introduce a faculty member who has a message for students as we install this stone representing Niskipisim, the Goose Moon. So the names of the moons correlate to seasonal changes that happen in place, and this moon being called Niskipisim is more typical in the south of the province. And so I'm mentioning this because in the message you've just seen from Elders Evelyn Linklater and Florence Highway, they named this moon the Miskisupisim, which is the eagle moon. And that's the name that for this moon that is used in the north of the province. So they're from Pelican Narrows, in fact. Down south here, the moon is reflecting the changes we're seeing. And this morning, as I walked in here, we were watching geese fly overhead. So the geese are coming back. They're coming back as winter heads north. And the words for north is Kiwatin, which correlates to the word Kiwa, go home. So the winter is going home to the north, and the geese are coming home to us. And the Cree word for come home is Pikiwe. So the geese are coming home during the Niskipisim. I was reflecting with a friend that the changes that we've all experienced due to COVID-19 have now been here for a year. And what that means is that the baby geese that were born last spring, they're coming home for the first time. And this whole year, they've experienced these quiet skies with such little plane traffic. So kind of interesting that this is their normal, and they're coming home to us again. So in sharing this message today, we wanted to have an opportunity to connect you with some of the exciting people on campus. And the message today is from someone who has come home to U of S. So Kathy Walker is a USask alumni, and she holds a Bachelor of Arts, a Master of Arts, as well as a Master of Business Administration. And she's currently a faculty member in the Department of Political Studies. Kathy is a Nehiyaw Iskweo with Saulteaux, Nakota, and Métis ancestry, and she's a member of the Okima Okanis Band, signatory to Treaty 4 in southern Saskatchewan. Kathy's teaching and research focuses on the resurgence of Plains Indigenous governance and its connections with anti-oppressive theories and practices. And what's a really exciting thing that Kathy has brought to the U of S is that she developed and leads delivery of the Certificate in Indigenous Governance and Politics. So this is a suite of courses that students can take as a co-degree certificate, and it's designed to help students develop an awareness of Indigenous political relationships and an appreciation of the unique socio-political position of Indigenous peoples in Canada, as well as an understanding of how Indigenous political thought and practices, such as land-based and kinship-centered approaches, intersect with our dominant political institutions and policies. So welcome, Kathy.